Hi, if you want to act on camera and get better results, here's a very quick tip for you. Stay still. You see how good it looks? See, the point is the following. When we go on camera, we strive for being expressive. We want to show what we're thinking. We want to be different from the others, and we tend to make a lot of movements that are actually distracting the viewer. Remember that filming is photography based, so every stillness works. Stillness allows you to get strong poses, even if you're looking to the camera, if you're looking away. Stillness always works. So try to restrain your movement to what's necessary. Try to work with your eye contact towards the camera or towards, your eye line, but stay as still as possible. This is very important. I created a tutorial last year about acting on camera. You can watch it here. It's one of my best running videos, and I hope it will help you further in your camera acting discovery. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. And stay still.